The other method we have for factoring trinomials is called the slide method. The slide method starts off the same as our AC method. We begin by looking for a GCF, or greatest common factor. So for my trinomial that I have here, I don't have any GCF other than 1, so we don't have any greatest common factor that we need to pull out at the start. So we've checked for a GCF and we don't have one here. So just like before, I'm going to identify my A, my B, and my C. My leading coefficient, or my A term, is just 1. My B would be -2. And my C would be -48. I start the slide method again, or I should say I continue the slide method the same way that we worked through our AC method. We're going to multiply A and C. So 1 times -48 for this problem would give me -48. And now we're going to look for factors of A times C that add to B. Same as what we did before. So I'm looking for factors of -48 that would add to our B term, which is -2. For this problem, I'm going to want 6 times -8. If you don't see those factors right away, make your factor list until you find the factors that you need. Once I've identified the factors that I want, so for this problem 6 and -8, I'll use that factor pair to complete my factors. So I'm actually going to hop straight to my factor pairs here. This is sort of like that shortcut that we did on the very beginning of our notes, or how we factored trinomials during our review unit. So the factor pair I chose complete my factors here. X starts off each factor because x times x gives me x squared, and then I'll finish my factors with a +6 and a -8. My next step then is to divide my factors by that leading coefficient, so I eliminate any extra multiples of A. In this case, our A value is just 1, so when I divide my factors by 1, I'm actually not changing or canceling or reducing anything. So my completed factored trinomial would be x + 6 times x - 8.